Let's play a game with the words that frequently appear on the topic test. A cake with topic words on them will come down. Learn the meaning of each word and help Hungry Pac-Man eat all 30 cakes. There are 10 levels in total. If you complete all 10 levels, topic will be a piece of cake for you. Let's get started. Ready? Go! 마다, each, every, 마다. 들, plural, 들. 것, 거, thing, 것, 거. 경기, match, game, 경기. 공연, performance, 공연. 대회, competition, 대회. 동네, town, 동네. 발표, presentation, 발표. 방법, method, 방법. 복잡하다, complicated, 복잡하다. 불편하다, inconvenient, uncomfortable, 불편하다. 산책, take a walk, 산책. 약속, promise, 약속. 여행, travel, 여행. 연극, play, 연극. 연락, contact, 연락. 오랜만, for the first time in a long time, 오랜만. 올해, this year, 올해. 요즘, these days, 요즘. 운전, driving, 운전. 이상, over, above, abnormality, 이상. 이웃, neighbor, 이웃. 이하, below, 이하. 작년, last year, 작년. 잠깐, for a moment, 잠깐. 주인, owner, 주인. 직업, occupation, 직업. 직접, directly, 직접. 특별하다, special, 특별하다. 함께, together, 함께. Congratulations! You finished Piece of Topic vocabulary. You learned 300 words that often appear on the topic test. Now, let's study the listening part, which is really important if you want to get a high score on the topic test. From the next lesson on, we will mainly be focusing on listening. Please subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss the next lesson. Thanks for watching!